There are two types of people in this world. People who put their dirty clothes directly into the laundry basket or the laundry hamper. And then there is the second type of person, a very annoying kind of person who leaves their dirty piles of clothes all over the house. Unfortunately for my husband, I am the second type of person. Let me know which type you are in the comments down below. My name is Brittany, I'm an English teacher, and today we're going to learn how to do the laundry together in English. You may have heard before that speaking to yourself in English is a really great way to practice your speaking skills, but sometimes we just don't have the language, we don't have the vocabulary to be able to speak to ourselves and explain the daily chores, the daily activities that we're doing. So hopefully this video will help you speak to yourself in English while you're doing the laundry. I've created a free downloadable guide for you, which you can get in the description down below, which has all of the phrases and vocabulary that you need to speak to yourself, to practice your speaking while you're doing the laundry at home. You can bring it up on your phone or print it out so that it's easier for you to remember these phrases as you're doing your own laundry speaking practice. Okay, let's get started. Right now, I'm actually at my parents' house. I'm visiting my mom and dad, and this is their laundry room. I would say that probably most or many American homes have a laundry room, usually a small space that has a washing machine and a dryer. American homes are sort of famous or infamous for having really large washing machines and dryers. I'll start right away with our laundry basket full of dirty clothes. So I'm going to put our dirty clothes into the washing machine. I'm going to load the washing machine with the dirty clothes. I need my other camera to be able to do that, so I'll be right back. Ooh, very large space. Yes, as you can see, the space is very large. My husband and I lived in Scotland for a few months, and we lived in Spain for a bit, in Turkey, and the washing machines were much, much smaller. In France as well. We've lived in a lot of places, and it's true that Americans just have very, very large washing machines compared to many places in the world. Okay. So I'm going to put my laundry basket on the floor here. Okay. Et voila. And next up, we'll need our laundry detergent. So I'm going to remove the lid. And I will pour about 1/3 of this, I think. About 1/3 cup of laundry detergent. Or laundry soap. And I'm going to pour this into, oops, that's my phone. I have to check in for a flight tomorrow. Maybe I should do that right now while I'm thinking about it. Pause the video. Okay. And now I'm going to pour the laundry detergent into the washing machine, just on top of the clothes. And I will rinse this out. I'll rinse out the cup in the sink, and then I will put the cup back on the top of the laundry detergent. Okay, so our clothes are ready to go. I will close the lid, and I always find this a little bit confusing. I'm never really sure which settings to choose every time I see a new washing machine, but we can figure this out together because we're smart. I was teaching in Japan like 7 or 8 years ago. I was an English teacher in Japan, and I had my own little apartment, and the only way I could do laundry in my apartment. Actually, all of my appliances, my toilet, everything. The only way I could understand anything was the magic of taking pictures with Google Translate. I remember feeling so silly holding my iPhone on top of my laundry machine trying to read what all of the buttons said, because unfortunately I don't speak Japanese. And so thank you so much to the creators of Google Translate. You really saved me, and you saved my laundry in Japan. All right, so it's already on colors here. We'll just leave it at colors. Often when people are doing their laundry, they separate their clothes into colors. So putting all of the different colors together and putting all of the lights or the whites together or the darks together. I am not amazing at doing laundry, and I just tend to mix all of my clothes together. Maybe I'm lazy, I don't know. But anyway, so I have selected colors here, and then so we can see the estimated time is 38 minutes. I have chosen a warm wash, normal, and we're just going to go ahead and press start. I have a sense that this machine is kind of smart. It's saying sensing. I think it's sensing how much laundry, how much weight is in the machine so that it can gauge the amount of water that's necessary to wash this load of clothes. That's always what we worry about, right? When we're doing laundry, we want to be conscious of how much water we're using and not use too much water for a small load of clothes. That's a good thing. Even though it's a big washing machine, it seems to be somewhat environmentally friendly. Oh, and here it goes. So we will come back here in 38 minutes to dry the clothes. My parents also have some drying racks here. Drying racks are great for clothes that can't go in the dryer. There are some fabrics that don't do very well in a drying machine or a dryer, and so I could also hang some clothes here if I wanted to. Okay, everybody, the washing machine is done. So we're going to take the laundry out of the washing machine and put it into the dryer. More discerning people would probably take some of their clothes and hang them to dry. But again, I am a lazy laundry doer, and so I'm just going to take all of my clothes out of the washing machine and put them all into the dryer. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Note to self, do not fall into the washing machine. Okay. And I will close the dryer. I'm going to select normal, just keep it simple. And it says it's going to take 48 minutes. Great. So, oh, and we need to add a dryer sheet. So, ooh, these smell really nice. So these remove the static electricity and make things softer, I think. I'm not really sure. So we'll throw a dryer sheet in here and hit start. Alrighty, so here's our clean laundry, and I am going to fold it, put it into piles, and then because I'm staying at my parents' house, I'll just bring it up to our guest bedroom. What are you doing? Do you want to help me fold the clothes?
That's the laundry?
What?
That's laundry?
Yeah, that's the laundry. You're sitting in the laundry. Okay, let's fold it. Oh, inside out.
This is mine.
That's yours. Those are your PJs.
The laundry.
Yeah, I washed them. They're all clean now. Now I'm folding them. These are your pants too. These are your pajama pants. Nope. You're all done helping me? For more natural, at-home, everyday English, make sure you watch this video next, and I will see you guys really, really soon.